Yo guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can fix Fortnite crashing when you guys are trying to load up the new season in Fortnite Chapter 3 Season 4. So make sure to stick around because it's an actual very easy fix and it does work, completely working. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. But without further ado, let's get on to the video. What you guys want to do is actually, you guys want to go into your Epic Games launcher, and to fix Fortnite not launching, you guys want to do these simple, easy steps. It's very simple, so just watch what I do. You just want to click on your profile and then press settings. Now you guys want to scroll down, and then where you guys see manage games, there's gonna be these three arrows right here. So you guys want to click Fortnite. So when it down arrows these two options, you guys want to press additional command line arguments. Make sure you have that check mark, and then once you have that check mark, guys, you guys want to type in this exact code: -D3D12 and press enter. Make sure you have that in, and make sure you have additional command line arguments checked. That's gonna be the end of today's video. Hopefully this video worked for you. I'll see you all in the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Peace.